Hey!
We're gonna take these inside.
Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Okay. Alright, y'all. So, I got some cleaning up to do. Let me show you what I need to clean up because we gotta get ready for the holidays. So I need to clean off my, I don't know, is it a side table? I guess it's a side table. It's not a side table. I don't know. Is it like a buffet table? I don't know. But I need to clean off this table. I gotta get ready for holidays. So let me show you what I'm working with. Alright, so this is the table that I need to clean off. It's a lot. I don't know where I'm gonna put the stuff at, but I gotta get rid of it and put it somewhere. Okay? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, Annoying as Didi. So, I gotta move all of this out of the way, and all of this has to be cleaned out. All of this. Look at all of this stuff. I gotta move all of this. I'm gonna move this stuff and put it on the table. And then we're gonna go from there. So, look at these. These are like for oil. So you put your oil in here and then you light it. It's like a lantern. However, what I was thinking, another way to use these were to use them as a plant propagator, right? So you put your water in here, and then you put your plant that you want to propagate in here, and then you just use it like that. Wouldn't that be cool? That'd be so cute. My thing is, it probably would be annoying to have to like keep, you know, how you have to change the water out. That might be a little annoying. Hopefully you won't have any issues with taking the roots out, because this is a little entryway. So, but I will try it one day. We'll see. All right, y'all. So now I gotta do is switch around my living room. So we getting ready for the holidays. So let's get into it.
Everybody move to the back of the book.
Alright, you guys, so now what I gotta do next is wipe this whole wall down.
What if I ruin the video by putting my feet
I'm gonna beat you up. Let me show y'all how dusty this wall is. You're never gonna guess how dusty this wall is. Y'all see that dust? Can y'all see it? See that little dust on my fingers? See that? So we gotta dust it. Alright, so now I gotta dust this bad boy. All right, y'all, so now we are in the kitchen. All right, y'all, so that's my time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm going to get ready and put my Christmas tree up. That's for another video. And I'm just about done with like polishing, just doing the finished touches of my house before Thanksgiving. I think that's it. That's it. I think that's it. But until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby. Don't give me copyright.